Hey there, business owners. Welcome to AutoAppy. So let's create a very interesting automation today, which is based on Forms.app and System.io. Imagine building your contact list in System.io automatically every time someone fills your form. They become a new lead instantly without you doing a single manual step. Interesting, right? To understand this, imagine building your contact list in System.io automatically every time someone fills your form. They become a new lead instantly without you doing a single manual step. Crazy, right? To understand this, let's consider a real time scenario. Imagine that your business is collecting leads through a Forms.app, like how you can see in this picture, and then, whenever for a webinar, a freebie, a product inquiry, or a newsletter sign up, without automation, every new submission requires you to manually open Forms.app, copy each person's details, switch to System.io, create a new contact, paste their information, and tag or segment them, wasting time into causing delays into follow ups. But this is where our tool, AutoAppy, comes into picture, which helps you automate such kind of tasks without any manual effort. So this is where AutoAppy comes to bridge the gap between the delays. So with it, the moment someone submits the Forms.app form, the details flow straight into the System.io automatically as a brand new contact, complete with tags and segmentation, ensuring instant follow ups, faster nurturing, and zero manual effort. So now that we have understood how this automation works, let's go and understand a bit more about AutoAppy. So for that, we will have to go to the home page of AutoAppy. This is the landing page of AutoAppy where we have different nav options like Home, Apps, Learn, Automations, Pricing, and Workflows. So as we scroll down, we have a section named as Connect Your Apps where you can discover and connect apps to create powerful automation workflows. So here we have a number of applications which we have integrated with AutoAppy which you can use in your various automations. As we scroll down, we have another section that is Set Up Your Automations where we can explore how you can streamline your workflows and save time with our automation features. So here we have a number of automation templates which we have created for you so that you can understand how a particular workflow works. So if you are a new user, you can always go to view details and check out how a particular workflow works step by step. Or if you just simply want to try it, you can just click try it and see how it works for your businesses. So let's move further. So these are the pricing plans which we have: the starter plan, the essential plan, and the professional plan. So in the starter plan, you can see that for rupees 0 per month, we offer you 3000 tasks every month, unlimited workflows, unlimited team members, unlimited app integrations, and whatnot. So what are you waiting for? Just simply sign up for free and take as much as of advantage you can. So now let's go and head over to our today's automation. So for that, we have to go to workflows. So before going to workflows, make sure that you have already signed into AutoAppy and that you have already created your Google credentials so that you can seamlessly access your automations. So let's go to workflows. So this will open up this particular dashboard in front of you where you can manage and monitor your workflows. So now let's go and start creating with our today's workflow. So just tap Add Workflow and give it a name as Auto Create Contacts into System.io CRM using Forms.app and click Save. So this will open up this kind of interface in front of you where it will prompt us to select a trigger application. So basically, a triggered application is just like a starting point to any of your automation you're going to create in future. Or basically, it will act as a backbone to your entire automation. So it is just like an if condition, which if satisfied, only then it will go to the next condition. So in our case, our first trigger node is going to be the forms.app. So let's go and search it. So just click new form submission as a trigger and just say add first app. So this will add this application to AutoAppy's canvas. So now we have to go and set this node live. So for that we have to go to the hamburger menu. So just click that and it will open up the setup, the configuration and the test window for the same. So here you can see that we have a webhook URL. So just copy it. And then as we scroll down, you can see that we have a setup of instructions given below. So here it says that log into the forms.app account. So since I already have the forms.app account, I will go to my existing one. So I'll just take you to my account. So this is my account. Make sure that you already have one with the following details. So since here we wish to create contact details into the system.io CRM, so these are the fields which I want. So the first name, the last name, the email, address, phone number, from where did you hear us from, and whatnot. So now let's go and connect this to our Auto API. So for that we have to go to the connect tab and then go and search for webhook. So just say edit here. And here you can see that we already have one webhook. So just let's go and delete it to avoid confusion. So just delete it. And then say add webhook. So here we'll have to copy the webhook which we just copied from Auto API. And just say save. So now that the webhook is connected, let's go to Auto API and say start capturing sample data. So as the data has been captured, let's go back to forms.app, and then here you have a tab of share over here. So it will just give you a public link for the form. So just copy this and then open it up into a new tab. Paste it. So let's go and fill this one by one. So I'm going to use the details which I already have. So you can enter anything else in this. And just say submit. So now that we have submitted the form successfully, let's go back to Auto API, wait for some time, and then just tap check status. So click check status. So here you can see that the data has been captured successfully. So now that we have set this node live, let's close this. And then go to the add option here, which will open up this kind of tab in front of us, which will prompt us to select our next application. So now we have to go and select a final destination node, that is system.io. So just search for system.io and then select create a contact as the action type and say add node. Say yes, add node, and then it will tell us to select an option from this existing connection and the create new connection. But since we are a new user, let's go and create a new connection. So here it will ask us to enter an API key, but before this let's go and give it a name as forms.app system.io data. And here it will ask us for an API key. For that we have to go to system.io CRM, then come here to the profile section and then go to the settings part, and in the settings section, in this settings tab, just go to public API keys and just create one. So since I already have one, I'll just delete it for now to show you how to create one from scratch. So delete this and then go and click create and then give it a name as Auto API. You can give it anything else. I'm giving it as Auto API and then click save. So here that the API key is set, just copy this from here, go back to Auto API and then paste it up in this and then say save connection. So since the connection has been set up, so now let's go and map this email address. So this we have to go and click the data mapper. So just go and select the forms.app as in the category, which is a previous node from where we are going to get the email address. So just search for the email address which we had entered, select it and say confirm. And now in the locale, just go and select English. Then in the first name, again repeat the same process. Go to the data mapper and select forms.app from the category and then search for the name, which is Farali, which is the first name. Just say confirm. And then in the last name, just repeat the same process. Go to the forms.app in the category and search for your surname. And say confirm. And now in the phone number, repeat the same process. Go to forms.app and search for your phone number and say confirm. Make sure you enter each and every detail as a unique entry because system.io does not take duplicate entries nor it takes any email address which is in wrong format. So make sure you take care of all these things before you create any contact. So now the remaining fields is not necessary that you fill in because since we had already have a few items from this list, it is not necessary that we require to map each and every product over here. Okay, so since we already had an address field here, so in the street address or in the city, we can just go and map that. That is Pune Baner and just say confirm. Remaining you can just ignore since we have not included that in our form. So just say submit. And now say test this node. So here you can see that the task has been executed successfully. Now do hide sample data, show sample data. So it says that the locale and everything has been created successfully. All the data has been fetched here. So let's go into our system.io and check if the contact has been created with that name or not. So for that, let's go to the CRM here and just click contacts and we'll refresh the page once. So here you can see that the contact has been created with that particular email ID. So this is how the contact is created in a system.io CRM. Hope so that you have enjoyed this automation and the journey through AutoAppy was inspiring and helpful for you. If you're someone who wishes to supercharge your productivity, head over to our website and start automating today itself. You like and subscribe our video. And if you have any kind of a query or any idea in your mind on which you want us to create our upcoming video tutorial, please feel free to go and comment down in our YouTube comment sections and we will be very happy to assist you with the same. So until I see you in the next video tutorial, happy automating. Thank you.